AMS production team is composed of 5 people whose experience and know-how allow the assembly of most of the products in France. In 2020, more than 35,000 radios have been assembled and controlled. More than 2,000 adapter cables have been manufactured, and more than 900 cameras and displays have been fully controlled for our factory customers. For a better understanding of these numbers, let's look closer to the different processes. The manufacturing of the radios includes 3 stages: the assembly, the control of the main functions, and the packing. Our range of adapter cables is composed of around 40 products designed to connect our cameras to the integrated displays of your machine. They are designed by our research and development unit and then manufactured by our production team on site. Finally, among the products for our factory partners, our displays and cameras are fully controlled by our production team. We are proud to have a part of our production in France. It allows us to have a greater mastery of our products and to ensure that they are 100% controlled. It also allows us to create jobs in our country and to preserve and transmit a local know-how.